Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And over the years, I've made videos on how to do this, but I don't think I've ever done it so easily. And I think looks the best. It actually looks like a, rounded object, a chain or somewhat. Really pretty easy to draw, just a few steps. I'm going to take a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size. I'm going to type in 3 inches on my radius, which I could go a little bit more because you can see nodes there. So we'll go 4. You can't go too much. Now I'm going to go ahead and put P. It doesn't really matter. I just get so used to working in the center of the page. We are going to contour this. Go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to try it 2 times at 1 inch on the inside. And we get that right there. Go to Object and break the contour apart. I'm going to see how big this thing is. It's, 6 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 7. I'm going to take this. I'm going to nudge out of the way. And you can still see that's a group. So I'll go group and ungroup. I'm going to put the center one back. I am going to turn this black with the Smart Fill tool. I'm actually going to nudge it over so my lines are no longer there. We could actually just delete them. And then, whoop, I hit the down arrow key. I didn't want that. So here we have this inner circle. And we're going to take up here and go from a hairline to like a 1/2 inch. We're going to make it white by right-clicking your mouse, and I'm going to move it up. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Now this is where the magic happens, and you would not think about this. Go to Effects and Blur and Gaussian blur it. And you could change it more or less to your liking. Happy medium, that's not enough. That's maybe not enough. Maybe, just keep changing it till you think it's there. I'm going to go back just a hair. And you can always type in the pixel numbers. Now that one might not look as good as my first one. See, I grabbed the white line. Let me set these 2 side by side and see what they look like. If I put a blue box around it, I think it would probably look the same. That's a pretty cool effect. It actually makes it look like it's, to me, if it was round, it would be an inner tube. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.